The 2026 Audi A6 has earned one of the highest safety honors available after receiving the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety Top Safety Pick Plus award. The latest evaluation highlights the sedan's strong crash protection and advanced driver assistance technology, giving buyers another reason to consider Audi's newest luxury model. To achieve the top rating, the A6 performed well in the moderate overlap front, small overlap front and side crash tests, while also offering acceptable or good headlights across every trim level. It also received good ratings in both the pedestrian front crash prevention evaluation and the updated vehicle-to-vehicle front crash prevention test, two areas that have become increasingly important in the latest safety standards. The redesigned 2026 Audi A6 combines premium comfort with a serious focus on occupant protection. For drivers looking for a luxury sedan that delivers impressive technology without compromising safety, the newest A6 stands out as one of the strongest choices available today.